Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for Code with DK sir once again. So I hope all of you doing fine, keep on learning, keep on growing. So today's session we are going to discuss about Tableau. What is Tableau? Why we are going to use the Tableau? So as you know guys, previously learn advanced Excel tool, after advanced Excel Power BI, after Power BI learn Tableau, third tool, right? So Tableau is also used for data analysis, where you can do the analysis of the data, where you can analyze the data, you can take data insights from data, right? As well as Tableau you can use for creating a dashboard as well, and you can do the data analysis and mathematical calculation as well. Logical operator, conditional construct, rest of all the things you can use just like in Excel as well. Right. So, first responsibility in Tableau, developed by Salesforce company in 2019. Like I told you previously, Power BI developed by which company? Power BI developed by Microsoft company, right? So, Mr. Bill Gates, same like here, Tableau, the by Salesforce company. Now here you can see first responsibility have to go to the import data. How to import data from different source? So simply click on data, go to the new source. Even you can press Control D, click on it, and you can see here where you can connect your data like Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON, Microsoft Access PDF, right? As well as you can see Google Drive. Also, you can connect your data from Google Drive easily. Even you can connect to the website as well, where you are in uniform resource locator. So first of all, I'm taking data from Microsoft Excel. Simple, I click on it and I choose as data. Any data I can take. Okay. Now data is loading. So just wait for a moment. Click on the sheet one. So here you can see your sales data. Simply click on it and it will come as you can see. So here you can take number of seats, seat 1, seat 2, seat 3 as you wish. Okay. Here is a dashboard. Here you can again see new seat, new dashboard and new story. So these are the three tools available in the bottom taskbar. Even you can take from here dashboard. You can see story or any specific one. So this is a user interface of the Tableau guys basically. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं data where you can connect data sources. Here you can see worksheet, new worksheet. You can take Control M, short key Control M. So once you take Control M here, press Control M. You are able to take a new sheet as well. Once you create a dashboard, you can take a dashboard from here. Okay, as well as you can take dashboard from here. Bottom, you can see dashboard. Once you over the cursor, you can see story, analysis, map. Like you can see analysis. Once you want to analysis like aggregate function, stack marks, you can see percentage of total, right? Grand total row wise, grand total column wise. So you can see all the option here. Which one you are going to use? Format. If you want to format your chart, you can increase the font size of the text, alignment, shading, border, line, right? So these are the all option in format tab. Which one you can use? Here you can see server, optimize server, which are running Windows. Here presentation mode F7 function key you have to use to present the complete full screen. Okay. And next one help. If you need any help support, so you can use the help. You will press F1 short key, function key. Right. So here you guys can see my data is loaded here. So in Power BI is a great feature here. You can see here all the string value ABC can see data type represent. Here measure in Power BI in Tableau. Have you seen Power BI once used the data type numeric showing with the whole number, but in Tableau the numeric value always showing with the hashtag. You can see discount, order quantity, profit, sales, shipping cost. So these all are showing with the hashtag. Where in Tableau. This is your cards basically marks option. You can see color if you want the color, so you can choose the color from here. Size, you can increase and decrease the size from here as well. Right. And text, whatever text you want to put it, you can put it here. Here is the details like you want to like track dimension or measure, so you can put it on details. And this is your tool tip as well, where you can want to measure or dimension. So simply you can click here and can do the analysis of the data. Okay. Here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 here sheets are available. Simple. Here your pages will show. Here this is a filter section where you're going to filter the data. You can use the filter, you can hide the card also. This is all the card guys basically. And here row and column, simply you can drag and drop the data here. This is data you can going to use. This is also presentation mode. And here this is also going to sorting, sort descending order, sort descending order. Right, you can do the sorting from here, and this one you can swap row to column and column to row. Control W you can also use, sort keys given there as you can see here in this video. And here sheet 1, double click if you want, write some title, double click here, and Control A, remove this, and write here like how to mention here how to import data from different source. Okay, Control A, select all, and from here you can increase the font size, bold, Control V, bold, italic. From here you can choose the color, click OK. You can see. Okay, so this one we import data. Same way you can go for rest of them. Now from here I want to keep it data here. Like once you put the data here, right hand side you can see show me. Click on it. So here you can see the chart, guys. Different chart available here. Right. So when chart will going to enable once you're going to work on it. So simple from here I take it like a product category, and here from here I'm just taking sum of cells on the row. From here you can switch also. You can see, you can switch, even you can take it text, pie chart. Here you can see guide T for text. So the mark label, click on it. So how many values are there in sum of cells, it will show here. As you can see, pie chart. So there are different chart which one you can use from here. As you can see, even you can use the bubble chart. So bubble chart you can see some are the small, some are big. You can see just because of the amount. Like those amount are lesser, just showing the small bubbles. Those amount are higher, you can show in the big bubbles. So this is way you can use the bubble chart also. Okay. Suppose I take another sheet, and here if you want to simple take a data like a subcategory, how you going to sort and filter the data, and I take it sum of cells here. Okay. So product subcategory and sum of cells, even you can do this way. Product subcategory. Okay. And from here you can sort the data ascending to descending, descending to ascending. You can see this is a way you can sort your data. This is nice one. I want to see the values. So simple, I want to cells. You can simple drag and drop on the label, text label. You can see. So you are able to see here. Okay. Simply you can see here your label. Now I want to check with the formatting. So simple, go to the format option here. Click on the format. Go to the font. So from here you can change the font of the row and column. You can see as you wish. You can change worksheet. The color if you want, you can change the color. See, I change blue. All change to the blue color as you can see here. Here formatting is very fine. You want bold, make it bold, italic. You can make italic. You want underline, make underline. See, this is a fine analysis you can do here. Okay. So this is your font formatting. Again, you can go to the format. Click again back. Alignment. So you can do the alignment as well. So you can see here like data's left, mid, right. Okay. So which we want, you can keep it here. From here you can see data like bottom, see middle and top. You can see. So this is where you can fix your data as per your requirement. Okay. From here you can see like normal. This is the way. Here just because of less space, you can extend the space as well if you want. Sorry. You can see. Okay. So this is where you can use the formatting as well. Clear? So this was a simple formatting of the data, how to take a chart, okay, how to use the chart. This one you see here. Okay. So this is way you can simple import data and trying to apply the chart and how to drag and drop the data on the row and column as well. So in this video, you have a see how to import data, how to check the data category wise, right? Okay, you can simply close from here. So you can see the data categorized major separate and listing value separate. Okay, guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.